GTA San Andreas. Open world, driving cars, gunfire, one of the most iconic games ever created. I will try to create this one in 23 minutes with Claude Code. We have 20 minutes of time, we have Claude Code ready, we have already the plan ready. We're gonna create this in 23 minutes. I just gonna hit run here. We're gonna start our timer for 23 minutes. And while Claude Code is running and cooking, probably it's going to ask me some questions. I will explain you how we actually plan to do that and the prompt. The idea now is that Claude Code will spawn some agents which will do the implementation. We have the prompt here. I prepared this one for you, which is basically a 3-step plan. The first step is set up the modular architecture, because we want that our different agents we're going to use, which are Igor and Boris, and we have also Jack, the architect of everything, that they work together in parallel. Here are the first questions. Create dev branch and play work tree main. Okay, it's using some work trees, that is perfect, because while it's using those work trees, which is not working, great. Yeah, we are working on master, not on main. That's totally fine. We allow that. The advantage of working in work trees. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Right now, the only thing what we have is this cube turning. As you can see here, this is our hole. There is basically nothing inside. We have only some basic entities which are basically empty. So this is the whole structure which is going to be filled in now. We work with those agent teams. So in the main Claude settings, you have to add this part so that Claude will be able to spawn different agents. Very perfect. It's already writing now the CJ character, which is not done by an agent yet. I think now create the team and set up step 1. I will implement the foundation files first, and then, so we do first the foundation, and then we will gonna spin up our agents. So right now, in the meantime, we will not see any changes here. That's time I will use to explain you a little bit more. Okay, the foundation is already done. Anyway, I will use the time to explain you a little bit the prompt. The prompt has different parts. Yeah, basically, of course, we start with make GTA San Andreas from scratch that I can play right now. We're going to use Three.js, PNPM, and TypeScript. We use TypeScript because then the AI can check its own work. And we also use work trees because while the AI is working, we can still play the game, play with our cube, and nothing is going to be interrupted. That's the basic idea about that. Important is that we do these things step by step. So what we want to do is start with one small city block, not a full city. That's very important. Jump back here. Okay, now we have Igor who is spawned. That's nice. This is Tmux, by the way. So with Tmux, you can nicely split your screen into various panes, they are called. So you can see in parallel, you can see at the same time what your agents are doing, and they can work in parallel. This is very important because we don't have that much time. What is happening right now? It's building the character model and the skeleton hierarchy. Let's continue here. First, we will have the gameplay, a movement and driving. It must feel right before adding content. We want to get it right. Of course, we don't have that much time. And it's very important that to follow the steps in order. We don't want to jump into specific parts. Let's see how well this actually will work. We have now Igor, who is still working, and Boris, which is on idle. Yeah. Very quickly again, for our agents, which we are using, we have our agents. We have, sorry for this, for the formattation here. We have Jack, and we have Igor, and we have Boris. So we have just Three.js developers, and one agent who is critic and a checker, because Claude Code likes to do some mistakes again and again, which Jack has to identify and to solve. We don't have anything here yet. Igor created. Igor is taking too long. Let me writing the remaining files myself to keep things moving. Okay, that should actually not happen. I think that our main orchestrator is taking over stuff from his buddies. But fine, for just connecting everything and that I can see, for just connecting things and I can actually see something, I would say this is totally good. Quick test server. Okay, we're starting the dev server. It is actually already running. Or it's starting it from the... Oh, nice. We have our character. Not so bad. And the color is also correct. I would tell it that the dev server is already running, so we don't have multiple instances of the dev server actually running. I have to go here. Then I tell it dev server is already running. We will check if we have some errors. No, everything clean. But I cannot move my character yet. I cannot zoom in on anything. For now, I would say we are fine with this character, how it looks like. We have 15 minutes left. Everything perfect. Good. We will commit our first step. That's very fine. We are at 38% of context. It's merging now from into main. I think it's already there, but okay, let's do that. We do that. Yes. It is master, not the main. This is important. For the next video, we have to remember that it usually creates a master branch. I think they were going to change it, but for now they use the master branch. Do you want to proceed? Yes. It's merging. I'm happy with what we see here. Looks almost exactly the same, no? I mean, the running animation is quite iconic. Step 1 is live on master. Your play worked should hot reload automatically. You will see CJ standing on a green ground, pane with warm, blah blah blah. Press 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I actually do that? 1, 2. No, my keys are not working. Keys. Now it's already continuing, but I think we need to work on the basics first. Can I stop this? Yes. Wait, it's not stopped yet. Okay. Wait. Can I just write wait? Okay, nice. It's waiting now. Nothing happens. Nothing is happening. Not. And add those instructions to the key to the screen, which keys to press, or actually create a little menu on escape press to show it. My instructions were not that clear. Check out step 1 is live standing. Press 1, needle pressing 2 walk, and 3 run, and 4 punch animation. This is not working. 1, 2, 3, 4, nothing is happening. 2, I would say that the keys are not connected. Press escape for control. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is okay. I like it how it is. That's already an improvement. Escape. Yeah, keys are not working. This is basically the issue. Keys are not working at all. Might be that they got a little bit in their ways, and again we only have Igor and Boris. Not this happened in my previous video too, that he forgot Jack. Or maybe Jack will spawn later. Now still not. Oh yeah, now something is happening. Oh, I like the walking animation. 1, 2, running and punching. Ah. Yeah, I think that's fine for now. Nothing happening, walking, running, and punching. Now let's go with that. Totally fine for me. Okay, now it's working. Let's proceed, and while the agents are working, store your learnings in a learnings.md about the key hit fix. It was thinking for 2 seconds. It's going to commit. Nice. If I refresh this page, we go for full screen. Now what it will do is, now let me write learnings and send step 2 tasks to the agents in parallel. Good. Had some error on writing learnings MD. This is what you always want to do. Have a file where you store some learnings, and then later you can, even if it's working perfectly, later on then you can use those learnings to kind of improve your agents step by step. We have 10 minutes left. We have a very good base, I think, for our first 10 minutes. What will happen next? Build full city block, build building model, build third-person camera, build player control, build collision. All of this will happen in parallel. I would be very happy if all of this will happen in parallel. We made our change to the learnings. Nice. Now, Igor got some tasks. And also Boris seems to do steps. Igor got 3 tasks to do. Igor will build the buildings model, the many more steps. Maybe we need more developers for this, or they are pretty fast with this. I don't know yet, we will see. As they already assigned the tasks, I will not change anything here now. Maybe let's try that. Maybe we also spawn Jack now. Jack, let me get you what Jack is actually doing. Jack. Maybe also spawn Jack now. And okay, they are fast. Maybe that's not necessary. Oh, nice. We have a street. That looks nice. Definitely. We will just check now what is happening with Jack, why he's not here. Maybe also spawn Jack now. Why did you not spawn him yet? Remember. Double point, and I just paste in this. We do declares but never read. We have some TypeScript issues. Both tasks I've already completed. These assignments message arrived after I finished the work. No further action needed. All 3 tasks are already done and implemented. Ooh, we have nice buildings. Ooh, I can walk. Nice. Actually, we only have 1 building here. But I like the lag seems to be a little big. And the turning of the character is not working perfectly. This seems to be a little buggy. The map is spinning around all the time. And we only have 1 building. Let's fix that. But anyway, so far I'm happy with what I got. We make a little screenshot here. We have 6 minutes left. Nice. Commit to and merge to master. Let's do this. We have some issues though. We have only 1 building. I think we could multiply that. And what else? Okay, now we have Jack actually. Now we have Jack. That's good. And the player controls are pretty wonky. When I turn the player, the camera is spinning around. Let Jack check those things and write a report and pass it then to the devs to fix. Step 2 is already integrated. Merge Bronze Eager work was used. Let me send them step 3 tasks via Jack reviews. I'll start reading all files review to let them to. Oh, that's perfect. Jack is actually reviewing. Jack is reviewing. Maybe this feedback was not necessary and Jack would have found these things anyway. Good. Jack is now analyzing those issues. And we are getting some vehicles. Pedestrian character, driving controller, HUD with interaction prompts. Very nice. In the meantime, we can play this a little bit. Can we walk off the map? No, that's good. We have a small map, that is perfect. We don't need a very big map right now. The control is still off. Do we have arrows? No arrows. Nice, nice. Let's go back, see what's happening here. Good feedback. Can you see the issues? Jack is analyzing both issues now. While we wait for his report, let me hold off on step 3 just for Igor and Boris. We should fix the camera controls first since they are core gameplay. I agree with that. I will dispatch the fixes as soon as Jack reports back. You don't think, but we don't have much time. I think we want to do things in parallel. Let's create a little chaos. Actually, code review request. It's fixing already stuff itself. Or is it Boris? No, that's Jack. Build is clean. Now let me send the full review to the team lead. Actually, Jack, you're supposed to be this team lead. So this guy here is the team lead, it seems. We have only 2 minutes left. And so far we have the fixes are not implemented. Maybe we do need 5 minutes more. Excellent review from Jack. 3 critical bugs fixed, spine twist stack. Nice. We do want to merge now. Jack is still doing things. Now let me dispatch the 2 user reported fixes to Igor and Boris. These 2 are gonna start to work again now, hopefully. Let me reread the key files to analyze both issues carefully. Igor is now working on something. Boris too. Nice. I really like how this orchestration works. Anyway, I have to improve that a little bit. I think maybe Jack is not needed and we could have added another front-end developer. Or we don't give Jack the role as a team lead, because Boris said that the team lead is not Jack. The team lead is actually our orchestra and who is talking to me. Waiting on Igor and Boris to finish the camera building fixes. Nice, we have now more buildings and the camera is working much better. I can hit how I actually run. WSD shift to run. Okay, nice. It's a little wonky though, still, but we can live with that. Turning, if I press, the turning is not exactly as I wanted. The movement is wonky. Maybe I can ask Jack to analyze the movement and the other guys keep going with the implementation. Are they done? This one wants to commit something and merge something, that's fine with me. Clean compile. Now let me read main OTs. Okay, this one keeps analyzing. I like it. So the only mistake we made with Jack was giving it the orchestra role, because it's already given to it's already predefined. But that it's like analyzing while the others are I really like. So we have to define its role better. It can already be spawned from the beginning on and also already start analyzing, following the Three.js best practices, write reports, play them back to the orchestra, and then the orchestra decides when to assign Igor and Boris to do those fixes. Or even Jack can do the fixes himself. Good. We do give us very good English, I guess. 5 minutes more. Because we want to make this game a little bit more playable. So far, I am happy with what we got so far. Anyway, we can make this better. Both fixes steps right is Igor's sedan vehicle. Now we will get some vehicles. All 4 tasks done. Let me read the files and integrate step 3. This is also what I was witnessing many times. The main orchestra tends to connect stuff. The agents usually just write it, and the orchestra connects, which I think, in my opinion, makes lots of sense. Let me reread the math utils to confirm the Angular behavior. I like that Jack is actually, I like it that Jack keeps analyzing our code, looking for potential improvements. Here, our orchestra is kind of running out of context soon. We could think about an auto and a compress. I made an error using dynamic imports. Let me fix that. Any changes? Yes, we have a bug now. Not happy with this bug. Our agents, what are they doing? Igor is on idle, Boris is on idle, and Jack is analyzing. Let me send the detailed analysis. Perfect. This one fixed our issues. Yes. Oh, I have now other people. And I have a car. Can I enter the car? F to enter the car. First I have to get somehow to the car. Okay. Now I press. Oh, I like this F enter vehicle. Do that. I enter the vehicle. Can I kill this guy? No. I just go through it. Can I actually go? Can I go through buildings? Or no, I don't go through buildings. This I like a lot. This character walks through buildings. I cannot enter. I like it. I mean, it's laggy. Okay, but this definitely could be fixed. I think this is a very good start. I will ask one agent to create actually a nicer car for us. Very nice. I can go back. I can go forth. Amazing. Happy with that. Definitely. While I was playing, I was not taking attention what my agents were doing. We are at step 3. How many steps we actually want to implement today? 1, 2, no, wait. 3. Add 1 slope pedestrian on parked car, pedestrian walks. Yeah, this we have. It's a pedestrian. A walker, basically. 4 would be add wanted star system punch. Oh, can I punch the pedestrian? I want to punch it. Let's see if I can do that. I want to punch the pedestrian. F, I go out. Where is he? Where is he? Probably inside a building. Yeah, the keyboard. I think we have to fix that. This is really strange. How I actually navigate on the back. There he is. Punch him, punch him. Go, 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 go. Ah, we can actually run. We can run. We can run. Come to me. Yeah, the keyboard navigation is totally off. This, now we don't have much time left. What are our agents doing? Build wanted system, start tracking on and plus decay timer. We only have 30 seconds left. Probably we're not able to get that. Let me refresh the page. One thing we want to fix though, I think, is how we navigate on the map. Map control. Map control. The penetration. The walking does not look that off actually. It's not totally bad how the character is moving. I like that. Step 4 dispatched. Our time is over, I know. Let's just see what our last step will be. All done, let me read police AI. Let me read police AI and integrate step 4. We will get some police cars now. reading to files, adding our police cars. I'm a little stuck here. Was the car movement actually better? I don't get yet how can I just enter the car? No, I have to go there. But how I go there? Maybe I run there. Ah. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Go to the car, go to the car, go to the car. Go to the car. It's very difficult with these keyboards. How did I make it the last time? No, 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 no. Ah. F. F. When I'm inside the car, everything is totally fine. It's only the character. Maybe I tell this to the AI. The car drives perfectly. On integrating these things, we don't have any errors. Oh no, I refreshed the page. Now I have to go back to the car. Good. Punch detection, compacting conversation. Punch, 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 punch. I cannot punch him. Nice. Good. We will stop here. I hope you enjoyed it anyway. We did not really finish all our steps, but you got a very good idea, I think, what is possible. Now you just have to iterate on it step by step and get a very nice game. Thanks you for watching and see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.